And good morning. So today is a very exciting day for me. So I'm going out to the city where we're going to a park. So I have technically been there before, but I don't remember anything because I was like 5 years old. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm also gonna go shopping. I need to pick up a new lip balm because I used an expired lip balm and then I got a giant pimple right here, and it was so big and it was bleeding and it was disgusting. So public service announcement, throw away your expired lip balms.
Just got some ice cream. I got the chocolate one because that's what I always get.
Okay, so we just arrived at the park, and behind us,
recording
yes, I'm actually recording. And behind us are all these old white people, and they're all wearing these tourist outfits, and like the big hats, and they're taking photos with their iPads of like the trees. So we're just coming up to this huge tree, which we've been looking for the last 10 minutes or so. Ooh. Wow, it's like a cave. So Kat's climbing the fat tree, and she's quite high off the ground now.
Nah,
so
this is nothing.
look at how high this tree gets.
I can see.
Don't fall down.
Shoes on and more clothing.
This is higher than I got last time. Oh my god.
That's because I know how to get up now.
What? So we're currently walking a bamboo path, which is like got bamboo everywhere. It's not very interesting, but you know. So I've just found a bird over there.
Bird.
Yeah.
Where did Katie go?
So we've lost Katie in the rainforest, and yeah. Whoa.
And hard to breathe.
This place is cool.
Cool, but it's hard to breathe.
It feels like you're in a giant cloud and you're being attacked by the cloud, and it's like all around. So we found a ladybug. Hello, little ladybug. It's so tiny, you can't even see it.
Oh, this one has pickles, yeah. Vlog my drink.
This is Katie's drink, and this is my drink. Compare.
Why are you posing with my drink?
I just think it's a cool fat drink. It's bigger than my head.
It's my drink.
Let's fuck on my head. Hello, Hannah. You right, mate? So we found some cool chocolate. We found some spider chocolate. This looks really cool. Ooh, we're in Target now. It's fluffy.
Nice, I've got it.
That hurt the shit out of my finger.
Oh, wait.
Hello everyone, so I'm home now. I'm very, very sweaty, very, very tired, which is why I have some sun-kissed. Alright, so I've got a big haul to show you. So, this first thing is actually for my mother, but I'll give it to her by the time this video comes out, so like whatever. And then inside is a towel from Cotton On for my mother. I love the colours, it's so beautiful. Makes me wish I had it for myself. Oh, and then I have this present also for my mother from T2, and they wrapped it for us. The lady was super nice, and yeah, got pretty wrapping, so I'm just gonna pop that in a bag. There we are. Right. And then I got this. I've been looking at this online and I wasn't sure whether to get it or not, but I eventually got it. So it's basically like a sports bra. This is the one I wanted online, but then it also came with this thing over the top, which is like still fine, you know, whatever. Hold on. So yeah, It just looks like this, and I really like it, and I think it's really cute. And I didn't even check the size. Oh, that's small. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't even check the size in the store. Alright, and then from Sportsville, I got this makeup palette. This was quite expensive. This was $25. But I just love the packaging on the front. I think it's so cute. And then it has lots of different colours. Oh my god. So many. Yeah, I'm really excited for that. I'm going to give this to myself for my birthday probably. I'm probably going to get both things for my birthday. So that I can like, you know, have something to open on my birthday. So, oh, I also got this water from Factory. I thought it was a really cute bottle. Then I got this from Kmart. So I originally bought this from Kmart a long time ago, but I lost it, so I bought it again. And then I got this mascara because I want to buy like new makeup products because I feel like my old stuff is too old, it's expired, it's gross. And I got this candle from Kmart as well. I think it's going to look so cute just over there by the calendar. So it's just plain pink, but I thought it was cute. And then I also got this Maybelline lip balm. So I have got this one before, but then I lost it. So I bought it again. And I'm going to throw away all of my old stuff and just use these. And they were $6, which is quite expensive for lip balm, considering I got a whole packet for $5 before. But, you know, whatever. And then I also got this giant bag. I got this gift bag. Literally not for any reason, just because I thought I might want it one day and it was cute. So I'll just save that. And then I got this shirt. I've never worn this colour yellow before. It's very bright. It's a crop top, but you know, I thought I needed some more clothes. As I think every single time I go shopping. So, oof, the other day I did actually buy some more things. I filmed a video, but the video is kind of boring, so I like deleted it. So I'm just gonna go get them and show you now. So I got these books both from Kmart. I got Donut Time and some stars, which I think look really, really cute. I'm really happy with all my purchases. I feel like I'm definitely gonna use everything. I feel like nothing was like impulsive or like, oh, let me just grab it. Like I really needed some more home decor. I obviously need notebooks, you know, for school. I do want some nice eyeshadow because at the moment I'm just using eyeshadow that was like a sample, you know, like it's good to have real stuff. So I'm not sure, should I give this to myself for my birthday or should I have it now? It's so pretty. Oh, it's oh my god, I have a little smash. Oh, I'm sure I'll Google it. I'll Google it and I'll work it out. Yeah, and I did need new lip balm because obviously I've got the giant pimple and I cannot use expired makeup anymore. And then this was kind of an impulsive purchase, this sports bra, but this was only $10. I have been looking at it online for quite a while. It was in my cart. I did almost check out, so like I got it.